Hi, I'm Mike Wilson, Chief Automation Officer at the Manufacturing Technology Centre here in Coventry. The new Knowledge Hubs at MACH 2024 are a fantastic initiative, showcasing new technology that is readily available to UK manufacturers. It will help them to understand the potential adopting such technology can bring to their operation, as well as when to adopt it and how to implement it to best effect. The Automation and Robotics Knowledge Hub will showcase how easily the technology can be adopted into existing manufacturing operations, automating repeatable processes, improving accuracy and consistency, and reducing repetitive and monotonous tasks. Robotics and automation is key to solving the UK's productivity puzzle. This underpinning technology will help manufacturers achieve high productivity and net zero aspirations, while solving some of the UK's labour shortage issues. The MTC is very pleased to be bringing this initiative together on behalf of the MTA and providing our independent expertise to the manufacturing sector. It's worth stressing that robotics and automation is also a significant contributor to strengthening the UK's supply chain and securing resilient UK manufacturing capability.